The incoming trade secretary wants to scout for more trading partners to address the ongoing supply issues for some basic goods. Let's hear more about Fred Pascual's plans in this report from Shaila Francisco.
As the war in Ukraine drags on, its effect is felt more and more in economies around the world, including the Philippines, from soaring prices of oil to lack in supply of some goods. To plug the gap when it comes to the supply of some items, incoming Trade Secretary Fred Pascual says it's high time to look for more trading partners.
We need to scan the market, and see whether there are friendly nations that we can approach, or even nations we have not dealt with before, but have the supply. We need to be resilient ourselves by being resourceful.
But it's not just consumers who are hurting with high prices of commodities. Manufacturers are also now asking for price hikes. Pascual says such requests will be evaluated. He is also open to reviewing whether to include more products under the suggested retail price lists. For now, he advises both consumers and manufacturers to look for substitutes to expensive inputs and products.
And let the market competition take care of issues like what you're saying. Do we need to include the small retailers, sari-sari stores? Maybe we don't need to, as long as there are alternatives to consumers to buy products from outlets that are observing the suggested retail prices.
With the economy taking a double beating, first from the pandemic and now the war in Ukraine, Pascual says it's high time to focus on one of the economy's bloodlife, the medium, small, and micro enterprises. This includes providing working capital, tapping the SB Corporation for financing, and the use of technology.
Expand their market by integrating them into the e-commerce platforms, either existing or platforms that we will develop specifically for the small enterprises.
He also wants to help boost employment, first by strengthening the BPO sector through further training with state institutions, as well as modernizing manufacturing and agriculture to further attract a younger workforce. Shaila Francisco, We Are One News.